I say, yo, bitch, a party, call her Fiesta. She wanna skirt off in back of the Tesla. Way too fast, I've been missing every rest stop. If we got a problem, send the niggas at your head top. We ain't in the same range, we ain't in the same game. Little nigga Paul Pierce trying to.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we've got probably one of the worst wrap jobs I've ever seen come out of a professional luxury car wrap shop. So stay tuned for the process of us rewrapping it. No, fucking you just screw that in. It's eating like he's hungry.
It's like he's fast.
Put that in your Sienna, bro.
And it's still all bubbling. Get a big I need to get a good grip on the neck. That's big.
Oh, damn, you.
What's the problem?
Cut mark.
Almost died. Guys, he is not okay. It's not okay.
Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it on. I'm a playboy,
So, I'm gonna do this part. I'm gonna stretch it.
talking about the face,
You have
but
to do
it's
this. You
not
have to
us.
push the wrinkles out.
You know you can call me done dada. Baby, we gon' pull up to the opera. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it on.
Come towards me.
I'm a playboy like Sinatra. Who that hopping out the Beamer? It's a party when I see her. Fall in love with my demeanor, and she love the way I treat her. We gon' pour it by the leader. Everybody watching now, I'm blowing off the meter. All these people talking Frank Sinatra through the speakers. If they got a problem, cause in time he got a feature. So I'm popping off. Now I'm hearing talks about falling off. I can never. All these people that been dropping off. All that talking just to top it off. I can never. Got a bag on.
They come here,
I don't mean to brag on.
The guy gets roasted everywhere. Yeah, I just ruined the full video now.
I'm a playboy like Sinatra. See the evil eye every time we pull up. Talking about the fakes, but that's not us. You know you can call me done dada. Baby, we gon' pull up to the opera. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it on. No, I'm a playboy like Sinatra. Ain't nobody pop where I'm from. No attention, now these hoes falling like it's autumn. Richie Palo on top, that's a fucking problem. Russian cream, suede seats like we hit the ladder. And I hold on to my pride, cause you know where I'm from. And I grip that bottle tight, I'ma sip it till it's done. I'ma take that corner wide while I'm screaming red rum. You the Bonnie to my Clyde, now we really on one. Now I know you wanna party all night, mix the Henny with Bacardi all night, in that Giorgio Armani all white, and I know you love that vodka with peach Sprite. Can I hit it in the morning? Cause I'm flying, man, I'm soaring. I'm just going through the motions. There's no telling where we're going. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it all now. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. See the evil eye every time we pull up. Talking about the fakes, but that's not us.